Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2015 Yamaha XV950R. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Yamaha. It is HPI clear. It's also data tagged and comes with a spare key in the pack. We'll get a good look around the bike for you. Get a look at the condition. I'll point out quite a few of the customised bits that have been fitted by the former keeper. First thing there is the headlight. It's got the LED headlight with a halo on it. And this is also an ABS model. It's got ABS brakes on it. Got a mud guard on the front of the fender as well there. You can see the data tag sticker on there. And it's a matte grey. The finish on it, matte grey and black. Okay, looking at the engine. It's got a few little stickers and badges on it. I think he's a fan of the skulls. Got the old skull on the pistons there. It's got custom foot pegs on it. The chrome ones. And this is the R model, so it does come with the Öhlins rear shock. He's also put custom bars on it, chrome custom bars on it, and also a custom clock, because they do come with a little digital clock. So it's got the analog rev counter on it, a lot easier to see than the standard one that's on these. It's also got a custom seat on it, so you've got the room for a pillion passenger on the back with the backrest as well. What you will notice, there's no number plate on it, because he also customised the number plate, and it was a black and silver one and way too small, so it will come with a legal number plate on it. Also got the saddle bag on the back there. We'll move around onto the right hand side, get a good look over it on this side. Look at the back brake, see the Öhlins shock there on this side. You'll also notice it's got the Vance and Hines exhaust on it. Get a good close look in at everything on there. Some more of his custom work on there. A couple of skulls on there with the ace of spades. And we'll finish off back round at the front, but on the right hand side at the front wheel. So what we'll do now, we'll go and pop up and have a look at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Right, let's get a look up at the controls. So you've got your front brake, your kill switch, hazards, the select and the reset buttons, that's for the dash. Those do work on the clocks. And you've got your starter and your throttle. Then over onto the other side, we've got the lights, indicators and horn. Now what we'll do, let's turn the ignition on and get the mileage off it. I'll probably have to scroll through this with the select button. Yep, I will. So let's go through. And there's the mileage. It's done 17,855 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close-up, we can do that for you. Send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.